All right, what have we got here, you guys? This is going to be an interesting one. Let me actually fix this angle a little bit. All right, hopefully that's a little bit better. I just got this in the mail. I came back from the office and bam, grass-fed brands, okay? If you guys don't know what this is, I'm going to be giving you the rundown here in a moment. I have absolutely no affiliation in any way, not even an affiliate, not an owner, no equity, nothing, no personal ties to anything or anyone involved in this. I just thought it would be a unique video, and I know Tai has been really focusing in on subscription business models. So we're going to talk about that, this box right here. If you guys follow Tai Lopez on, any social media platform, but Instagram and Snapchat primarily, he keeps showing himself being out at his farm, right? So, the whole story about him being like raised on the Amish, blah, 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 learning all this stuff, cares a lot about that, rotational grazing, like a really healthy way of farming. So Tai has been involved in a lot of different subscription business models. He's launching a ton of stuff. There's a men's clothing company that was recently came out as a subscription box. There's Mentor Box, right? You guys might be familiar with that. Entrepreneur gear, primarily books that help you learn. It's a monthly subscription box. Now, grass-fed brands, okay? This was interesting to me, and the reason I bought this was because it wasn't a lot of money, honestly. So it was about $129 a month, and there was a discount for $69 for the month. So I went ahead and tried it out. I bought it. I'm going to open this on camera and kind of select what's inside of there. I believe there's like a chicken, some beef. I don't think there's eggs. I don't even remember because it's like a week ago. But from what I saw in his snap, it comes with like dry ice in here and it's all super fresh, super healthy. I will kind of update you guys on Instagram or something of how it actually tastes once I make it. But we're going to be talking about subscription business models and doing a little review on Tai's product here. So let's grab a knife here and just open her up, all right? Apparently this is coming straight out of Virginia, which I believe is where, or North Carolina, something like that. Let's see what's up. And just to show this to you guys fully before we actually go ahead and open it up, this is kind of what you're seeing as you go ahead and open it. So I'm like holding the tripod too, but thanks for thinking green with earth-friendly packaging. We hope you enjoy the order sent by earth-friendly. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Pop off the top here. What is this? This is insulation right here. That's literally insulation. Okay, let's check some of this out. This is wet. There's condensation on this. This is, oh yeah, it's very cold. There's frost on it and everything. Let's see. Oh wow, is there dry ice in here? It is freezing cold in this box. That's dry ice right there. Look at the smoke. Wow. Oh no, it's opening. Okay, it's in this bag. Let's see what we got here. Tai, what is this? This one, pork breakfast sausage links. Okay. Apparently these are supposed to be really good and healthy. So again, keep in mind, this was all $69 for the month. All right, so it comes in this bag that really, really helps, I guess, kind of keep everything there. We're gonna get my desk all wet here, but we're just gonna bring all of this out for you guys, okay? The next thing, what even is this? Ground beef, okay? There's actually been a lot of issues going around. Let me fix this a little bit with ground beef. I don't know if you guys have been seeing that. A lot of diseases coming out of that. So hopefully this is a really good, healthy one. I've been avoiding it at the store myself. This right here is a farm whole pastured poultry. I don't even know what that is, but grass-fed brands. Oh, look, you can see grass-fed brands. I don't know if you guys can read that right there. I'll let it zoom in. Santa Monica, California. So that's kind of where it's based out of. That's their office. Oh, look at this. It's literally a bag with dry ice. Holy shoot, that's cold. Good job, good job. Let's see what else we got. Keep in mind, 69 bucks. Came straight to me. Uncut Franks. No nitrate added, no preservatives, keeps frozen. Pork beef. What is this? This looks like little sausage links too, but they're different. I'm excited to grill this stuff up and try it out, to be honest. Let's see what else he's got. Ground beef. I guess more of it. All right. There's a lot. Look at this. There's a picture of Tai and Joel Salatin on the inside. Look at that. Classic. Oh, Alex Mayer from Mentor Box, another subscription company they have. So they're sending this stuff out. You get it once a month. I believe you can kind of pick and choose what is actually inside of the box a little bit if you prefer certain types of meat. This right here is definitely bacon for sure. Oh, beef for stir-fry meat. Honestly, that just looks like bacon to me. I don't really know. Let's see what this one is. Oh, more of the same thing with literally chunks of dry ice coming off of it, which is a good sign. And then, is that it? Oh, we just found it. Now we're gonna have fun. This is a big chunk of dry ice in here. Look at this. All that smoke. That's really cool. So yeah, all of this stuff comes. So you got one big thing. I think it's a pound of chicken, 2 different of these bacon, pork, poultry, 2 ground beefs, breakfast sausages, and some other sort of like sausage link type thing. So I think that honestly what you would get at the store would be a little bit cheaper, but if this is healthier, then, well, that's all the better, right? That's exactly what you're paying for. And now my desk is completely soaking wet, but hey, that is all right. So I just wanted to share this. Now I'm going to talk about the subscription end of things and why I believe Tai is focusing on that, because holy cow, my desk is going to be ruined. But it's definitely a huge thing. That's where he's making a lot of money. A lot of you guys might know him for the 67 Steps, right? His original program. Maybe social media marketing. Maybe you followed him for cryptocurrency, which didn't last too long, but he made millions and millions off of that. Maybe you know him for anything like the Make Money Online course with e-commerce. I believe they talk about affiliate marketing, a lot of different stuff. So that's actually like a one-time sale, if you will. Now, getting people on a residual, it's a lot smarter, right? They might be paying a lot less, but they're paying monthly. So as long as you're delivering a good quality product, service, okay, this right here is a product. Okay, it's not necessarily a digital service or some sort of group or something they're getting access to. He's branching off, and this is what's interesting. Take notice of, this has nothing to do with entrepreneurship. Nothing. Like the audience, okay? He's an entrepreneur by putting this together, but this has nothing to do necessarily with his audience. Yet he's using it to then sell that, right? He's using his audience that he's built. He spent, tens of millions of dollars to build that audience, and now he's able to utilize it for other things. So getting people on a subscription business model. The thing that I really, and again, I have no affiliation with this. I want to make that very clear. The reason I'm kind of making this video is because maybe some of you guys have thought about it. I will definitely let you know how this actually is, but I personally believe in good food. I spend a lot of money actually getting really good food. I keep fresh fruits around me, really good vegetables. I spend a lot of money on water, which a lot of people don't do. And for me, that's something that it keeps me more energized, keeps me healthier, and I know that long-term that's something that will pay off. So just based on the amount of stuff that I've seen from Tai, I don't really follow him too closely. I don't have time to always be like watching his story. But, when I see it and he's at the farm and stuff talking about this stuff, he clearly knows what he's talking about and he's clearly passionate about it, okay? Arguably more so passionate about the farming end of things than the actual like business side of it. So, for me, this was something that was worth testing out. And, if you guys want to go do it like that, I'm not even going to leave it linked down below. I don't even know if you can get in. It was like a special offer. Maybe he was just, I don't know, some sort of scarcity tactic. But I jumped in. We're going to see how it goes. For now, I'm going to be sticking on the monthly thing and seeing what's up. And now, as a mentor box, I actually got my first box in. I haven't gotten it in yet. I ordered my first box. That's supposed to come with 2 books, I believe, like some other little material, and I think a t-shirt if I'm not mistaken, but that's like $30 a month, and you get this little box of, I guess, knowledge, so that more so plays into his direct audience, right? Getting people on a monthly subscription for something that has to do with his direct audience, right? His audience, all these business people, old and young. He has a lot of very diverse people. I think the bulk of his audience is probably in their teens and 20s. I could be wrong, okay? This might be interesting to you guys. The bulk of my audience is actually about 25 to 35 or 20 to 35. So it's a little bit of an older audience. I think Tai naturally attracts a little bit of a younger crowd, which is interesting, just the way he runs his ads. But either way, I'm sure it's very well split. So giving them some sort of service like that, okay? So that's something that's really interesting. If you guys have ever thought about doing a business model, maybe you've been looking at something like e-commerce versus social media marketing. So a lot of people look at those two fronts and they're like, hey, e-commerce, one-time sale versus social media marketing, residual monthly retainer. Well, there's actually things you can do inside of e-commerce that are residual. We actually do offer subscriptions on some of our stores for products we're selling, sending them stuff on a monthly basis, okay? So you can incorporate subscription business model products into the back end of that once it's working. That's actually one of my buddies' very, very, I guess, high-level secrets. That's really how they focus on driving the revenue once a store is already working. Now, and that's like really good profit margin on that too. Now, on the social media end of things, it's actually not always residual. So you might be thinking, social media marketing, monthly management for running marketing for a company. But what about one-time fees for building a website, right? You might close someone on $1,000 to redesign their website, but they might not be paying you monthly for something, right? It's just a one-time thing they need done. So there's a lot of things, kind of a push and pull on both ends of those. So I definitely recommend that you have both. That's the key. However, I recommend you focus on one as you start. I don't think Tai started with subscription stuff. I know for a fact that I didn't. My affiliate marketing stuff was actually initially one-time sale. Then I did affiliate marketing when I was getting started in the internet space for residual offers. Okay, that was Instagram growth stuff, actually one of Tai Lopez's monthly groups, and a couple other softwares like that that related to business owners. So for me, that's one of those things. I knew the power of getting a residual coming in. So once I built my residual income from affiliate marketing, that let me focus my time and kind of pivot to the e-commerce end of things, and I had money coming in even though I wasn't working. So that's something that's been huge, a lot of different monthly things that I definitely recommend you guys get into something like that. But that is the review on Tai Lopez's grass-fed brand. It's kind of what you get, what you can expect. Thought this was an interesting little video. I like their packaging, what comes with it. I think it's really cool that they have dry ice in there. I'm going to have some fun with that. But other than that, if you guys have any other specific topics, things you want me to talk about, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. We're getting into some interesting, unique, mixed up content because I kind of feel like that's what's more interesting. So I'm going to do what's interesting to me and what's interesting to you guys. If you want help with anything specifically, let me know what it is and how I can better help you in the comments down below. And with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to let me know by dropping a like and make sure to hit that nice looking subscribe button. And I will be seeing you guys tomorrow in the next video. Peace. Hang on, I'm filming this the next day. I have not edited this video and I am mad tripped out right now. I just threw away the box earlier this morning from this. I come back inside, this is sitting here. What? I literally just froze for about 30 seconds. Ready to go. To me, I didn't order two. I don't know what. Okay, I guess we're gonna open it back up. But I noticed something funny. Look at this right here on the sheet. It says for up here in the upper left. If it'll focus in there, it says from dropship. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. So, all right, I'm just gonna open this real quick and we'll see if it's like a duplicate of the same thing or if it's the rest of the order. I don't know. That's kind of weird. They said it got delivered via email. So let's find out. Okay, I took off the top. This looks, yep, this is the same exact thing. Did I pay for two? I need to go check my card statement or something. What the, this is crazy. All right, same thing, but I guess I got two if anyone wants one.